Hello, welcome again. This is Hybrid Accounts, and we're just going to take a look at an example depicting perpetuity. How do you obtain the present value of the perpetuity? Actually, this question has got a lot of sections. Wait for the receipts now, wait at the end of the 5 years. Section A, part A and B were done actually in the previous videos. So I'll just emphasize on part C. What would be the worth of the receipts now if 5 million is to be received indefinitely? You see, the word indefinitely reflects a perpetuity. So that's what I'm just going to focus on. So let's go to the question and read it well. MMPLC has just entered into a contract that will provide it with 5 million at the end of each year. Now, not this. 5 million. This is the amount of the 5 million, an amount at the end of each year. At the end, not just at the end of each year. If it's at the end of each year, that means the amount will be repetitively being received. Will be being repeatedly received. So it's kind of an annuity. And we are told for the next 5 years. This word for the next 5 years means a definite period of time. And so this is an annuity. So for part A and B, you'll use an annuity. But for part C, we are told that if it is to be received indefinitely. Now, if you have to receive something indefinitely, that means you receive it indefinitely, not just for 5 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, a million years, and infinite years. So this will be a perpetuity. Now you're told a discount rate of 11% is to be used. So you have to use a discount rate of 11% and required C. What would be the worth of the receipts now if 5 million is to be received indefinitely? So if you have to receive 5 million indefinitely, this is what actually you'll have to do. We know the formula. So you just go to your formula here, part C, present value of ordinary perpetuity, just like this. That present value of ordinary perpetuity. Why is it ordinary perpetuity? I told you we have perpetuity due in ordinary perpetuity. We are told it is received at the end of each year. So being at the end, this way that the end here reflects ordinary. So that's what we'll do here. So you just come here and use the formula A of R, which is A we have been given of 5 million, and R at the discount rate 11%, which equals to 0.11. So divide these ones and we'll have this much amount. So what does this mean? This means that if someone comes to you and tells you that he'll be given, you have to choose between being provided with 5 million at the end of each year in all your life, your sons and everyone, that means indefinitely. That amount will be equal. It will be the same as receiving 45,454,545 now. So it could be the same. This is what it means. That instead of being given 5 million at the end of each year indefinitely, then they can just give you 45,454,000 and 545 now, so that they no longer need to give you anything more. So this is the way, right? So this is all about ordinary perpetuity. Now I would like us to go to an example where we see perpetuity due, all right? Yeah, so that's what follows. So let's just go to the next example to see about all this, right?